Here are some screenshots of unexpected errors I encountered due to mismatch between Python, ChocoPy, and Gradle versions when integrating with Java. When I set up proper Python and ChocoPy versions and set up the build environment with the proper Gradle version for a given Java version, those errors went away. It is absolutely critical to have an appropriate Python and ChocoPy version and a proper Gradle build version that works reliably with a given version of Java. This video discusses some important initial steps that need to be correctly taken in order to increase chances of success working with Python-Java integration in Android.